Hello and welcome to Kanen Coffee Espresso Machines. Today we're testing this Breville. I think it does the 870. It's either the 870 or the 860 XL. Pretty sure it's the 870. And let's go ahead and test the shot. So we have the customer had the grinder set at number 2, which might be a little fine. I can hear the grinders working pretty hard. And then it's set to single. We'll go ahead and grind. We should definitely have more coffee in here, but I haven't adjusted anything. I'm just doing a test of this customer's machine based on the way they had the settings, without my changing anything. We'll pull a shot. I don't see it leaking or spraying as was described in the description. The pressure is low, but that's because there's not enough coffee. And I think, it is kind of frothy in how it comes out, but that's also related to there not being enough coffee. And I can show you what'll happen if I put more coffee. So I'm going to go to double, which I noticed earlier when I was testing that it's too much coffee. That's close, maybe just a little bit more. Like that. And tamp it down. Here. So there you saw we got the pressure up more, and we got nice crema. I suspect, I'm just thinking about this. Let me check the grind size. So the grind is a little coarse, and that's why it's coming out so fast, and that's a challenge, because the grinder probably needs to be replaced, but we can try to clean it out, and let's try to clean it out and see. So I'm not able to get new grinders. Or if I can get them, they're so expensive that nobody wants to pay for them because they might as well buy a new machine. But let's just take a moment here and clean out the grinder. So I'm going to take out the insert, or I'm going to vacuum it out first. So take out the insert. man, it's really stuck. Maybe I will be able to improve it by vacuuming it out. It might take a pick and just break up you can see how you can kind of see how it's kind of solid in there. I'm just going to take my pick and break it up a little bit. I mean, this is typical. It's not terrible in here. To get the vacuum to work that deep, so I'm gonna make a mess. Use some compressed air. I'm also going to go from the bottom and clean out the chute as best I can. The birds look pretty good, you know. Clean the burrs up with a wire brush a little bit, but they actually look in pretty good shape. But all that is to say is, after doing this cleaning, I'm not sure it's gonna help. Because oftentimes the birds are just going bad. This is my Kirkland test coffee. It's good for testing. It's not too oily, and it's inexpensive, relatively. And let's go ahead and grind some coffee. It definitely feels a little bit better. We'll see. You never know until you pull a shot. So, I don't know. I actually don't think it's gonna be much better. Yeah, the challenge is the grind. It's just too coarse. Let me go get some from my grinder, and we'll see how that works. So this is from my grinder. It's a really nice grinder. Commercial grinder.
Yeah, thanks you.
Yeah, there you go. So now, that confirms that it's the grinder. So the gasket got loose on us there, and that's actually what the customer was complaining about, but I couldn't get to it because the grind wasn't fine enough. So we weren't testing the seal. So that's definitely a problem, and I think the only thing we have to do to fix it is to replace the O-ring on top. So we'll test the O-ring and replace the O-ring and see if that fixes the problem. So thank you for watching with Kanen Coffee. Please like our videos below. If you'd like to see more videos like this, please subscribe to our channel. Thank you.